you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am, as always, Mr. Clark Griswold. Happy to have you guys here. If you are a first timer, well, welcome to you guys as well. And if you haven't done so yet, you can subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell next to it. That bell gives you the direct notifications when I send out daily videos just like this one. Our top 5 plays, our full watch list for the following day, weekly swings, monthly swings, learning tools, motivational videos, all kinds of other stuff. You can also follow along with me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. I am here to serve you guys, to help you guys as traders, to help myself as a trader, and we learn and earn together, we grow together, and that's what the Strat community is. Everybody teaching a solid strategy, and one of the easiest strategies that you guys will ever come across. It's just, that's what it is. It's you can't get any easier than it is. We look at the candlesticks, we watch price action, and the candlesticks tell us exactly what to do, and that's all we need. They tell us when to enter, they tell us when to exit. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with our top 5 plays for Tuesday, April 12th. Okay, so the first one I've got on the board, guys, is NIO, N-I-O, NIO, and we have a bunch of these today, or for tomorrow actually. We had these big gaps. Like NIO opened way down here, so there was this big gap to fill in. If you watch the gap video, you would have made a killing on NIO right here. As it gapped all the way back up, it filled the gap. Watch those gap videos for when things do gap, and it's I always say everything's a golden goose. The Strat is a golden goose of trading, okay? The inside bars, the 3-1 setups, the Sarah's 50% rule, the gap plays, Paul Ituaro's 30 and 30. I mean, it's the Strat is a golden goose of trading, and it doesn't get any easier than that, guys. Okay, so once again, without further ado, let's get into this with NIO. So we had a inside bar on Friday. Today we had a 2 down that finished green. So what this is called when we have a inside bar or a 1 bar followed by a 2, we call it a rev strat. So we're looking for a reversal to the upside off of this inside bar. So it's a 1-2-2 reversal. This one will be a 1-2 down, and we're looking for a 2 up. Okay, so we can look for calls when we hit this yellow trigger line at 20.07, and we can look for our targets at the top of the preceding wicks. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I can put in 2 more here for you guys. 4, and we'll change that to green. And I'll show you guys 1 more here, 5. Now you might be asking, why is that at the bottom of the wick? It's because there's a gap. Okay, and when we have a gap, the bottom becomes your next target. Okay, just like when if we played the gap here, this right here becomes your first target. This right here becomes your second target. Okay, so that's NIO number 1. Number 2, and these are in no particular order, another EV company in Lucid. Lucid had a 1-3 setup, powerful pattern. I went through this in my overall watch list. We had a 1-3 right here, and we continued to trendward down for 2 days. Now we have a 1-3 again. The day and the week are green. We are trending down towards the bottom of this broadening formation, okay? So look, every stock trades in a broadening formation, guys. Look, we tag the top, we tag the bottom. We tag the top, and then we tag the top one more time. Where do you think this is going? We are likely going to tag this bottom at some point, okay? So let's see what happens tomorrow on this 1-3. Is it going to be a 1-3-2 up, or is it going to be a 1-3 continuation, 1-3-2 continuation? We'll see on Tuesday morning. But we can take calls at 22.66, puts at 21.11. Next up, we've got Pfizer, PFE. Pfizer has a big outside bar here. And this is one, guys, where I talked yesterday, in yesterday's video, that, look, we tag the top, we tag the bottom, we tag the top, we tag the top again. I'm looking for exhaustion risk here and possibly for a trend down, and that's what happened. We came through and we trended down. Okay, so we might go back up, who knows, but we can take calls on this one at 56.32. I'm going to say it's more probable that we continue downwards tomorrow, and we can take puts at 53.76. I don't want you guys shorting stocks unless you guys know exactly what you're doing, okay? So don't short stocks unless you know what you're doing. XEL is number 4 on the list. XEL has an outside bar, and again, this is another one we talked about. Top of the broadening formation, tagged it, tagged it, tagged it. Pretty much tagged it and reversed. Okay, it's this, you can't get any more clear than this. It is what it is. It's not subjective. We tag the top of the broadening formation, we come back down. We tag the top, we tagged it once more, we tagged it a third time. Probabilities tell us that we're headed back down due to exhaustion risk. This is at an all-time high, and if you look at our main watch list video, people probably saw, yes, we broke all-time highs, away we go. They all got stopped out today, okay, and it reversed on them, down back the other direction, okay? So let's look for, I'm not going to take calls on this one. I will take puts on this one if it trends down, okay? So this would be a 2-3-2 reversal is what we're looking at. Day and the week are red. Number 5 on the list is Monster MNST. Monster is one of the only plays I found with an inside bar. Full time frame continuity to the upside. We have this weekly trigger right here in line with our daily trigger for tomorrow. So, sorry guys, 83.08 we can take calls. It'll also trigger our weekly swing on Monster, or we can take puts at 81.12, okay? And we'll give you one bonus play here, AFRM. AFRM has a 1-3 setup. So we can look for calls on this one at 39.58 or puts at 35.66. Guys, that's your top 5. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if the video was useful to you. If you thought it sucked, give me a thumbs down. I'm okay with that. Give me a follow on Twitter, subscribe down below, and we will see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.